Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to screen mirror iPhone 15 to Android TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First let me go to Android TV. In Android TV, go to settings, select this settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. So here you can see I have connected this Android TV to Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. You can use Wi-Fi router or mobile hotspot. After connecting this Android TV to Wi-Fi network, let me go to iPhone. In iPhone, go to Control Center. From top right corner, swipe down. Tap and hold on this Wi-Fi icon. Here you can see I have connected this iPhone to same Wi-Fi network Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. We have to connect both iPhone and TV to same Wi-Fi network. Okay. After this, let me go back to Android TV. In Android TV, go to apps. Select open Google Play Store. Go to search. So here we have to search for AirPlay. Let me search. This is a search result. From this result, we have to install two apps. First one is AirScreen app. This app, AirScreen app. I already installed it. Go back. Then install this AirDroid Cast TV app. This also I installed. Okay, so we have to install these two apps. Then let me go back to home screen. Method 1. I am going to open this AirDroid Cast TV app. Open it. Okay, done. Then let me go back to iPhone. In iPhone, go to Control Center. From top right corner, swipe down. Here you can see the screen mirroring icon. Tap on this icon. See, you can see this iPhone has detected this Android TV in the same Wi-Fi network. So here you can see the name of the TV, AirDroid Cast. Tap on this name. See, screen mirroring is working. So this is a method 1. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to Control Center. From top swipe down. Tap on this screen mirroring icon. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. Okay, let me go to method 2. Method 2. Go to Android TV. Go to apps. Then open this second app. AirScreen app. Open it. Please wait. Okay, app is ready. Let me go to iPhone. In iPhone, go to Control Center. From top right corner, swipe down. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. See, this iPhone has detected this Android TV. You can see the name here. Tap on this name, the second name. Then please wait. See, done. So this is a method 2. Next I will show you how we can stop this mirroring. Again go to Control Center. Tap on the screen mirroring icon. Tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are two methods to screen mirror iPhone 15 to Android TV. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.